Welcome guys, today we're going to go over the top most active crypto projects on GitHub. Firstly, what is GitHub? For some of us non-technicals. Well, GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. It lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere. For cryptocurrency projects, this type of transparency provides investors with confidence that their investment that they're funding the growth of active crypto projects. Today, we'll go over the most number of GitHub commits made by the top 20 active crypto projects. But also, what are commits? Well, commits are changes to the code base of specific projects. Now, a high number of commits doesn't necessarily mean an active project, as these commits could be as simple as documentation of different codes, functions, methods, or as complex as a 3-month sprint, which is the time allocated to a new feature, such as transitioning to a new blockchain consensus mechanism, such as proof of work to proof of stake. With these basic fundamentals understood, let's get into the top 20 most active GitHub projects for cryptocurrency projects. Number 20, Cosmos. Cosmos, or Atom, is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. Cosmos aims to create an internet of blockchains as a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way via the proof of stake chain. The total number of commits, 1,436. Number 19, Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a public proof-of-stake blockchain that aims to bring DeFi to the masses with low transfer fees and fast transactions. Its selling point is a near good crypto scalability, with the blockchain's network's ability to handle more transactions as more users join. Total number of commits, 1,583. Number 18, Clayton. Clayton is an enterprise blockchain platform developed by South Korean internet provider Kakao. Its modular network architecture is designed to enable businesses to conveniently customize and operate their own service-oriented blockchains built atop of Clayton architectures. Total number of commits, 1,720. Number 17, CardStack. CardStack is a revolutionary experience layer that turns blockchain technology usable and scalable by breaking down app silos in favor of truly decentralized digital world, opening the door to Web3 to everyday people. Its total number of GitHub commits this year was 1,752. Number 16, Elrond. Elrond is a cryptocurrency and blockchain platform designed to handle high volumes of transactions. The platform's EGLD currency is called eGold, and Elrond also supports decentralized applications through the use of smart contracts. Total commits for this year, 1,782. Number 15, Fujicoin. Fujicoin is an internationally registered cryptocurrency. It enables instant, near-zero cost payments to anyone around the world, and is an open global payment network that is fully decentralized. Total number of GitHub commits, 1,892. Number 14, Chainlink. Link, or Chainlink, is a cryptocurrency and technology platform that enables non-blockchain enterprises to securely connect with blockchain platforms. Chainlink is a middleware that connects blockchain-based smart contracts with external data, such as baseball scores or stock prices. Total commits for this year, 1,914. Number 13, Rubik. Rubik is a multi-chain DeFi ecosystem which enables cross-chain, peer-to-peer, and instant swaps across multiple blockchains, aiming to deliver a complete one-stop decentralized platforms. Its total commits for this year on GitHub was 2,001. Number 12, Fei Protocol. Fei Protocol is a DeFi native algorithmic stablecoin. The aim of Fei is to propose a technological solution in a sweet spot between rigid, over-collateralized and decentralized stablecoin and centralized custodial stablecoins. Total commits on GitHub for this year, 2,033. Number 11, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the BNB chain, previously the BSC and BINANCE chain, instead of Ethereum. It enables users to swap the BEP20 standard tokens easily. The original idea of DeFi and DEX was to decentralize the world's finances, as PancakeSwap hopes to achieve. Total number of commits for this year, 2,096. Number 10, Particle. Particle is a decentralized all-in-one financial platform that protects users' rights and gives total freedom. It is fair, secure, and private all the way. Particle Coin, or PART, is the digital currency with the data protection and privacy features that the coin's major focus aims. Its total commits for this year was 2,102. Number 9, Grostal Coin. Grostal coin is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency created in 2014. Designed for everyday use, the Grostal features an average block time of 1 minute as opposed to Bitcoin's 10. Its total commits for this year was 2,212. Number 8. Bitcoin BEP2. Bitcoin BEP2 is a token on the BINANCE chain issued by BINANCE, where the price is pegged to the Bitcoin at a rate of 1 BTCB equals 1 Bitcoin. Pegged tokens such as the BTCB are 100% backed by the native coin reserve, which Bitcoin BTCB case. The reserve addresses are published for anyone to audit. The total number of commits for this year was 2,233. Number 7. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular and biggest form of digital currency that aims to eliminate the need for central authorities such as banks or governments. Instead, Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to support peer-to-peer transactions between users on a decentralized network. Total commits for this year, 2,234. Number 6. Mask Network. Mask Network enables users of popular social media platforms to send cryptocurrency, interact with decentralized applications, and share encrypted content. For example, the protocol allows users to send encrypted messages and even cryptocurrencies over Twitter. The total number of commits on GitHub for this year was 2,378. Number 5. Chia Network. Chia Network is a cryptocurrency where mining in the Chia sphere, or farming, is based on the amount of hard disk storage space devoted to it, rather than the processing power such as proof of work as cryptocurrencies in Bitcoin. Its total number of commits for this year was 2,810. Number 4. SushiSwap. SushiSwap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, in which users can exchange between different virtual currencies using a connected crypto wallet such as MetaMask. Its total commits for this year was 3,073. Number 3. Solana. Solana is a blockchain platform designed to host decentralized and scalable applications. Solana can process many more transactions per second and charges lower transaction fees than close and feared rival blockchains such as Ethereum. Its total commits for this year was 3,691 on GitHub. Number 2. Mina Protocol. Mina Protocol aims to be a lightweight blockchain that maintains a constant size of just 22 kilobytes, regardless of how many transactions are committed to the network. Mina Protocol's blockchain network prioritizes security, accessibility, and decentralization through the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Its total commits for this year on GitHub was 4,543. Number 1. Internet Computer Protocol. Internet Computer Protocol is a cryptocurrency or digital token that allows users to create apps, websites, and other web-based services. Its differentiating factor, in contrast to Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many more other blockchains, is the ICP subnets that do not allow proof-of-stake or proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, which do require sprawling digital mining operations to process transactions. Instead, ICP uses subnets interactions via chain key technology. Its total number of GitHub commits for this year, the top of the list, was 5,226. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment. And what do you think about these GitHub commits? Do they mean that a project is worth more? And could it lead to their potential explosion in the next bull run? Let me know in the comments below and I'll catch you in the next one.